In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add logo to your Wix website. There are a few ways that you can add logo, that you can do to add a logo to your Wix website. Now, there you can add the logo. For example, when someone search for your website on Google, there will be a logo. You can add that logo so that people will recognize your brand easily. And you can also add logo to your Wix website. Like if someone visits your website, they will be able to see the logo. Now, first, let me show you guys how you can add the logo. For example, to when someone searches for your website on Google, this is the logo that you are going to see. Now you just need to click on my sites in the top left and then click on go to all my sites. And after that, guys, you want to click on select and edit site. And then after that, guys, you want to search here in the top right, you want to search for logo. Click on logo settings, and then you want to upload the logo here. Now, as you can see, your profile is what people will see on search results, invoices, and chat, and more. Now, you can add that logo here. Make sure the size is 100x100 pixel minimum, as you can see here. Now, I'm going to add a random logo, for example, this one. Click on choose file, and then click on save. Now, if you want to change the logo on your Wix website, then you want to do the same steps. You want to click on my sites in the top left, click on go to all my sites, and then you want to click on select and edit site. By the way, you can also change another logo, which I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Now you want to click on edit site. After that, you just need to wait for your website to load. It's going to take like 5 seconds, 6 seconds. Depends on your internet connection. Now after that, you want to click on this plus button where it says add elements, and then you want to select image, okay, here, the second option, and then you want to click on upload image, and then click on upload from computer. If you have this logo from your computer or you have it on your Facebook, Instagram, you can choose one of these. Now I have the logo on my computer. Now, for example, I am going to choose, for example, a random logo here. It's not actually going to be a logo, just for example, a TikTok, this one. Now, like I said, you just need to upload the logo, and after you upload it, just wait a few seconds, click on add to page. And this is going to be your logo. Just wait a few seconds so that it can appear. Then you can resize, like you can make it smaller like this. Again, make it smaller, and you can move it in the header, in the top, or somewhere here. You can put it anywhere here. Make it a little bit smaller again, and then put it anywhere here. And then after that, you want to click on publish in the top right. Okay. Now another logo that you can change, you want to go to your dashboard, and then you want to scroll down. Okay, I'm going to scroll down right now, then click on settings, and then you want to click on let me show you guys. Skip scrolling. Let me show you what you need to click on. You want to click on website settings, scroll down, and you can change this logo. As you can see, that will appear in the top left of your Wix website. Like if the logo that I'm talking about, it is this one. As you can see, this small logo. You can also change that if you are paying for the Wix subscription. As you can see, it says here favicon is a small icon next to your site title. Get a custom one to help visitors recognize your brand and to stand out in their browser tabs. Now you can upload that here, but you have to upgrade to the premium plan that includes a custom favicon. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Drop a like and click the video in the screen to learn more about Wix. See you guys next time.